this thing where you see, here, e dey for your place. All these things are antique that my fathers used. Not be today money. Today money sef me sef don't look for am. I get am. You see this ones? You see all this one? These are over 200, 300 years ago. You see them? So look at them. They are 200, 300 years ago. They are not imported. You see this chair? They are not imported though. Today, they are not imported. This is what my fathers left for me. Show me the one where your father leave for you. Eh? You see, this is from India. We don't know the year where they bring them. You see all these things. Look at them. You see them? You see these things? These are not things that we got today. Show. You see this sphere? You see this sphere? This sphere is over 200 years. You see this sphere? Look at. It's over 200 years old. You get am? That you are king for that your place. You dey call it your king. He get am. He get this kind thing. No be to go to yeah thing. Put am. Say na king. Because in the award kingship, warrant chieftaincy give people. Everybody na king. He get am. You see this one? Over 200 years. I have a cloth that is over 140 years because they brought it from that in Calabar that has gone back. I'm still wearing it. Your father get am. This thing you see. You see how old it is? All these things. Now waiting my father can bring. The new things and they are those ones. I never talk about them, those new ones. Years of wealth that we have preserved till today. Constant of bokoro. They talk about king, they talk about people. Who know you? Who you be? Who know you? Now, having said that, I have had so many charlatans claiming that I'm Igbo this, I'm Igbo that. Who wants to be Igbo? It's a question. As Igbo helped me to be rich where I am. No, Igbo has not helped me to reach where I am. But that does not mean that I don't have Igbo blood flowing in my veins. I have Igbo blood on several sides of my family. Now, how did I become a Mayan of Calabar, Dabayamakri the first? Now, it's very ironic, you see. Very, very ironic. People were saying that I want to become king, I want to become king. I have the right to be king. But I've never considered it as anything. Like I always said, they say, the question is very controversial. I say it before anybody. That anybody calling himself a king in this era is deceiving himself. There's no such thing like a king within Nigeria. The laws are subordinated or revered natural institution. I don't want to call it traditional. It's degrading. Under local government chairman, not even under state government. And so a small local government chairman can go on to lock the door of the Amainabo of so place, and nothing can happen because he has the authority of a people who are following a piece of paper. We are natural rulers. So I never desired such thing. And in Calabar, to desire to become a Mayanabo, in Calabar, you saw the ceremonies during the burial of Prophet TJ. in which I was chairman of the cultural committee that did organize the cultural aspect there, the cultural and Calabar spiritual aspect of the burial. And you saw how the burial was. There is no burial like Calabar burial for their monarch anywhere in the world. Our burial is unique, distinct, different from the burials of other kings. And for the first time, it was live streamed. There was no hiding anywhere. And the person who died was a professor, not a professor of history, a professor of sociology, a professor of microbiology, a professor of science. That was the person that was accorded the greatest ritual in Calabar, the Kilikiliemi. Henrietta Franklin, an European explorer and historian, who came to Calabar in 1857 and stayed in Calabar until 1869. In her work, she said she witnessed the burial activities of King Calabar. And she described it this way. 1863, she was there at the burial of, which she described him at the burial of my dear friend. And in it, she said, a European woman, her brother was there before her. And in it, she said, I felt very sorry for my dear friend. That for 3 days, his corpse lays on top of a mat. And people were trooping in, noble men were trooping in with cows, hosing different animals, and they were sacked. Take the head of the goat and put the chicken in his mouth and run round the square. Each time an animal. That was the burial of King Calabar that she recorded for the whole world. There was another record of a Nembe king, I don't know which of them, but it was similar. But today, all the Ijo, what they call Eastern Ijo, Boni, Okrika, including Nembe, none of them carries these rituals again. Nembe too reported a similar event. It's only Calabar that is doing it. It's carrying out these rituals. This very rich ritual of interring their kings. Very spiritual. The spiritual essence of the Calabar people were totally in agreement with what has taken place. Now let me come to, having digressed, let me come to who I am. People say, Asari Dokubo, Asari simple. People open their mouth, and because when you are talking, they don't listen. So they are going to cut some part, bring it, and then they will now make all sorts of noise. Let me tell you, I am Dokubo Asari. King Amakri gave birth to King Calabar. King Calabar gave birth to King Abe Amakri IV. King Abe Amakri IV gave birth to Prince Ogoton Princely. Prince Ogoton Princely gave birth to Okokuba. We kings in Dokubo there. Ni Tom Princely. Listen very well. Because you will not listen. You talk. Then Okokuba gave birth to Honorable Justice Malford Gooded. Senior. Honorable Justice Malford Gooded gave birth to me. So Amakri, Calabar, Abi Princely Amakri, Ogoton Princely, Okokuba, Wilkins in Dokubo, Ni Tom Princely, daughter of Ogo, and Honorable Justice Malford Gooded, and myself. And you open your dirty, stupid mouth. You are kings that ought to lie on the ground for me to match them and pass. You are kings. When they are talking of kings in the Jordan, you are king, they will talk about it. King, today's king. Let us go and check Western Region Gazette. Let us go and check Western Region Gazette. Call that your king, whether his name is there. And then go and check Eastern Region Gazette, whether you will not see king and Makri. In the whole Eastern Region, there were holy 8 first-class chiefs, the whole Eastern Region. Amina of Calabar was one of them. Amina of Boni was one of them. Amina of Nembe was one of them. The Obi of Onitsha was one of them. I told you too. This thing of Arochukwu was one of them. The Obong of Calabar was one of them. This of Okute was one of them. And I will remember the 8th. Where's their own there? Go to Western Region. Then they are migrator, they are mine of Nimbi. 90% of so-called today, they are awarding kingship like water. That's why you compare your king. Which king? I am a treaty king. That you are king, that you are king. Is it a treaty king? Today, bunkers get money, this one get money, this one, they go and do stool, yes too. This thing where you see, here, it dey for your place. All these things are antiquated that my fathers used. Not be today money. Today money, me self don't look for them. I get them. You see these ones? You see all these ones? These are over 200, 300 years ago. You see them? So look at them. They are 200, 300 years ago. They are not imported. You see this share? They are not imported though. Today, they are not imported. This is what my fathers left for me. Show me the one where your father leave for you. You see, this is from India.